Can popping a gummy really be the key to unlocking a peaceful night's sleep? Or are melatonin gummies just another overhyped sleep aid? Let's find out. First, what exactly is melatonin? It's a hormone naturally produced by your brain that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin supplements, like these gummies, are synthetic versions designed to mimic that natural process. As darkness falls, your brain starts churning out melatonin, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. Light, especially blue light from screens, can suppress melatonin production. Step 1. Optimize your sleep environment. Ditch the phone an hour before bed. Dim the lights. Make sure your room is cool and quiet, and consider reading a physical book instead of staring at a screen. Next, if you're going to try melatonin gummies, start with a low dose. We're talking 1 to 3 milligrams, an hour before bedtime. Don't just grab the highest dose you can find. Be mindful of the brand and ingredients. Look for reputable brands that have been third-party tested for purity and potency. Avoid gummies loaded with sugar or artificial ingredients. Finally, remember that melatonin gummies are not a long-term solution for chronic sleep problems. If you're consistently struggling to fall or stay asleep, talk to your doctor to rule out underlying medical conditions and explore other treatment options. So, are melatonin gummies worth it? Maybe. But responsible use and healthy sleep habits are crucial.